So question 21 in the homework.
It says let these two triangles be congruent. Okay, so ABC is here, D, F, find X. It says what is the solution? Select the correct choice below, and if necessary, fill in the answer box to complete your choice. So, how are they congruent?
And I know it doesn't ask this, but how?
Okay, they're congruent by side, side, side. So, if they're congruent by side, 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 then respective parts, corresponding parts should be congruent, right? So, all they ask me to do here is solve for X, right? So, I'm going to identify the part that has X in it, right? And you can do this in either triangle. But I look at AC, and AC has X in it, right? So I know I have to use AC, but what is AC? Yeah, if you look at AC, it's the first and last letters here, right? So it's got to match up to D and F, the first and last letters there. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take 6X plus 31 is equal to, then DF was 8X plus 9. Go through and solve that. Get 2X. Move my 9 over. What's that give me? 22? So then X ends up being 11. So when they say your options here, okay, whenever you find solutions, and this is something maybe you talked a little bit about in Algebra 1, but you talked a lot more about it in Algebra 2, and then you use it all the time in Algebra 3 or college algebra. It says the solution set. When you find an answer, a lot of times we like to write it as what we call a set, and a set is just a collection of objects. Okay, and it could be 0 objects, it could be 1 object, it could be 2 objects. Sets are usually more interesting. There's multiple things in them, but we would just put in this set. The way you denote a set is using those curly braces. So we just put our number for X in that curly brace. When we factor things, we usually get 2 solutions, right? Yeah. So we would put our 2 solutions in that set, and we have a little bit more interesting set that has multiple parts of it. Here it says the solution set is X. Okay. Now the way you read that, I don't know if any of the questions on here, anybody would have gotten something like this, but it says X such that vertical bar is shorthand for a such that. So X such that X is a real number. The only reason I would choose that answer there, if you remember back to Algebra 1, if you would ever get through a problem and you get down to a statement that says like 5 is equal to 5, or 10 is equal to 10, or 0 is equal to 0, you get what we call a true statement, right? Okay. Then that tells you that X can take on any value that it wants, and it will provide then essentially your distances that are the same. Okay. And then this one here, it says the solution set is that thing right there. We call that the empty set, okay? Which basically means you don't have a solution. And what the algebra would tell you there is you work through and you get like 0 is equal to 5. Well, what kind of statement is that? Is that true or false?
False.
False, okay? So a false statement algebraically tells you no solutions. True statement algebraically tells you ultimately infinite number of solutions. But the hope is we get at least, here we get the solution of 11.
Did they ask you to do anything else after that?
No.
Okay. Does that help? I don't think. Let me check kind of.